We're going to define a hash as so. I'll have 4 names defined as keys, and using the hash rocket, set how much money they've got in their bank account. Next, to print each person's name and their bank balance, I'm going to iterate or enumerate the hash. We can say balances, each pair do, and the first argument to the block will be, of course, the key, which in this case is going to be the user's name, so I'll call that name. And the second will be the value. In this case, that's the balance. So we'll call it balance. And then we can use our puts to print that out. When I run my code, I get a list of all the users and their current bank balance. Now, to calculate the total amount of money that all of our people have together, we're going to define a variable first called sum and set that to 0. And then we're going to iterate through our hash once again. But this time we're going to increment the sum with the balance of each of the values in that hash. So then finally we can print out the total balance. Now when we run the code, we get the total balance as well, which is of course in this case $5,900. We can actually simplify our code here by merging these 2 iterations. Let's take the sum variable and place it at the top here. Then we can cut and paste our sum calculation here, paste that inside this block and delete the second iteration. Now we're both printing and summing the balance each time we iterate. And when we run the code, we get the same result.